Good morning, dear students. Lines and angles in the revision class ആണ് ഈ വരുന്ന പരീക്ഷ കേട്ടോ. In figure AB is parallel to B. That's given. Find angle BCD. രണ്ട് തരത്തിൽ നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. ഒന്ന് ഇങ്ങനെ സമാന്തര വര വരച്ചിട്ട് this means you given that angle ABC equal to 130 degree if you draw a line parallel like this. വര വേണമെങ്കിൽ വെളി വരയ്ക്കാം കേട്ടോ. ഇങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ നോക്കണം കേട്ടോ. ഇതോ എത്ര 110 ആണെങ്കിൽ പറയാം that is angle DC2 equal to 180 minus 110 7. You remember that? ഇത് 110 ആണെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെ co-interior angles are supplementary. That already you said. And angle CDE and DCP both of them are equal. ഇത് രണ്ടും equal. Because you remember that other angle PCD 110. പറയുന്നത് ഇങ്ങനെ അല്ലാതെ വേറെ മാറുന്നുണ്ട് so many ways. Okay, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വേറെ ഒന്ന് പറയാം. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഏതാ എളുപ്പം നോക്കാനാണ് ഒന്നും കൂടെ ആദ്യം ആംഗിൾ DC2 70 കിട്ടി. ഓക്കെ, ഇനി ഇത് മാത്രമായിട്ട് കാണാം. 130 ഇത് എത്ര? ഇത് സപ്ലിമെന്ററി ആണ്. ആംഗിൾ BCP ഈക്വൽ ടു 180 minus 130 equal 50. Okay, so clear. ഇത് 110 ആണെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെ 70, ഇത് 130 ആണെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെ 50. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Otherwise, angles on the same side of parallels are supplementary. There are so many ways. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞു. ഇനി നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ ഇത് കാണാം? That is very easy. Angle BCD equal to 180 minus the linear pair. 50. You remember the problem? That is 180 minus 50 plus 70, 120. Your answer is 60. Another method, ഇത് 110 ആണെങ്കിൽ ഇത് total 110 ആണ്. ഇത് 130 ആണെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെ 50. So 110 minus 50, then also you get 60. Okay, അങ്ങനെയും ചെയ്യാം. Okay, next look here. You studied angle bisectors and the problems also. Look here. Now in the figure, OP and OQ are angle bisectors of angle P and angle Q respectively, and it is given 30 degree and 40 degree here. Angle OPQ equal to 30 degree, angle OQP equal to 40 degree. We want to find angle PRQ. Are you ready? Angle bisectors means these two angles are equal. So OPQ equal to OPR. Both of them are 30. Similarly, angle OQP and OQR. Both of them are 40. Okay. So the total angle P is 30 plus 30, 60. Total angle Q 40 plus 48. So what is the third angle? That is angle PRQ equal to 180 minus the two angles are 60 and 40. You see here 60 and that is 80. Sorry, 80 and 60. So your last answer is 180 minus 80 plus 60 equal to 140. So the final answer is 40 degrees. Angle bisectors mean these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal. So you get the third angle. You remember that problem? Once again, look here. The same figure, that is PQR here, and there are two angle bisectors. Given data, angle Q equal to 60 degree, angle P equal to 70 degree. Are you ready? And given OQ and OR are the bisectors, angle bisectors of angle Q and angle R respectively, we want to find all angles of triangle OQR. Are you ready? Now given that angle Q equal to 60, angle P equal to 70. Are you ready? So what is the third angle? Angle R. 180 minus 60 plus 70, that is 180 minus 130, you get 50. So the total angle R equal to 50. Total angle Q is given as 60. Is it clear? So how can we find OQR? ഇതാകെ എത്രയാ 60. അപ്പോൾ അതിന്റെ പകുതി, that is 30 and 30. That is the meaning of angle bisector. So angle OQR is 60 divided by 2. Angle OQR 60 divided by 2, 30. Similarly, ORQ is 50. This angle is 50. 50 divided by 2, 20. Is it clear? And how can we find QOR? This angle is 30, this angle is 25. So angle QOR by angle sum property, two angles are 30 and 25. This is 30, this is 25. The third angle is 180 minus 30 plus 25. That E is 180 minus, you added to get 55. And your final answer is 125 degrees. Is it clear? Okay. Next, you prepare well this video. Watch well the video, then prepare well. Next, there is some another type of problem also. Look here. This is given 90, and these two angles AOE, you remember the problem? Is to angle DOE equal to 2:3. You remember that? So find angle COE. That is one of the questions. COE. There are other questions also. So the given data AOE is to DOE is equal to 2:3. We don't know what is that. If angle AOE equal to 2x is given, angle DOE equal to 3x. This is 2x and 3x. And here it is complementary, that is 90 degree angle. If this angle AOC equal to 90, AOD is also 90. Is it clear? This angle is also 90. So the next line is angle AOE plus angle DOE equal to 90 degree. That is 2x plus 3x equal to 90, 5x equal to 90, x is equal to 90 divided by 5, you get 80. You get the step? If you added these two, it is 90, that is given. So x is equal to 90, so angle AOE equal to 90, that is 18 into 2, x is equal to 18. Similarly, DOE 18 into 3. This 18 into 2 is 36, 18 into 3 is 54. So the two angles are 36 and 54. So you get the value of x, then you get the values of the angles, and you get angles AOE and angle DOE as 36 and 54. And our question starts. And first question is angle COE. Already this angle is 90 and this is 36. So your answer is 126. Clear? Okay. Next angle BOE. If this is 90 means automatically here also 90. BOE. So 90 plus 54. Okay. That is 144 degree. Is it clear? Is it clear? And reflex angle of angle AOE. Reflex, you remember reflex angle. Reflex angle of angle AOE is 360 minus. Down angle AOE കാണാണ്ടോ? This is reflex. So 360 minus 36. Okay, 360 minus 36 is 324. Is it all? And you may ask any question, BOE. Okay, anything. Are you ready? So I will give you next type of problems also. Okay. Tomorrow I will give you some other problems in lines and angles. Okay. Prepare well. Watch the video very carefully. This is a revision class. Prepare well. And if you have any doubt, you ask. എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഈ ആഴ്ച കൊണ്ട് ക്ലിയർ ആക്കാം. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വീക്ക് പരീക്ഷ ഓൺ ടെസ്റ്റ്.